So I got into bioarchitecture already back in 2007 when I was bringing my fabrics that I was doing out of spandex for the various events and trying to solidify them with the gypsum emulsion. And that's when I went to Mexico to learn how to build like Gaudi at a ferrocement workshop with Steve Kochler. Google Timolandia, San Miguel de Allende, and you'll see what my teacher have done. I've learned how to build that, and from there on I was dreaming and learning more from Earthship, Skull Earth and other trainers how to create bionic architecture for cold climate, for various climates, because I spent 25 years in Africa and there I had to come up with a structure that was self-cooling, and now in Northern Europe I'm developing a home that can heat itself without the use of fire or electricity, through hot composting, through collecting the sunlight and storing it into thermal mass. And yes, for the overcast climate, we will be using a sauna once a week to top up that heat, have a good steam, and at the same time send that heat into the channels underneath the earth. In fact, this is what we're having our training about this summer. On the 2nd of August, I am building a new type of Earthship that's totally affordable and designed according to Vastu, believe it or not, because you need to balance out the north, east, west and south. Typical Earthship has just the south facing windows. It's not good for people, as the energy from the east and the north are vital for our spiritual and financial success. So this is my design that I'm developing right now as a blueprint, and you can pre-order it for $107 still. And then we're going to be building this blueprint this summer on the 2nd of August through a 3-week workshop. And when you leave, I'll be implementing those heat exchangers into the berm that will channel the heat from the parabolic dish below and from the top of the greenhouse underneath the earth and around into the insulated thermal mass. Yes, the inspiration was taken from Mike Reynolds from the Earthship Academy, but I've taken it way further because in our country we don't have much sunlight during the winter. So I had to adapt in order to make this possible for a fully self-sufficient home to be available in cold, overcast weather. So for me, bioarchitecture is passion. It's been with me since 2007, and bionic Zaha Hadid curvilinear design has been with me since 19 years of age. In 2000, when I started my decor business with all those spandex liquid forms for trans party events. Yes, it all started with UV, party, dance and fun. And then the product transformed, still keeping to those bionic forms, but now adding rigidity that comes only through strength from geometry, and of course using biomimicry as the core drive within all my bioarchitecture. So I welcome you to check out all my courses on my website and have a look how you can actually learn to build your own home through a series of workshops on your land in your time. Thank you. I look forward to be seeing you in our digital classroom.